Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my install and a quick review of these iron handrails I purchased on Amazon.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Alright, so we're building some iron handrails for some steps we have outside. Ordered this on Amazon. I'm going to provide you the exact link in show notes so you can see the pricing and things like that. This is where they're going to be being installed. I'm going to put them on the left side here. And we're going to take it apart right now.
This is what it looks like all unpacked. Make sure you get it hot. The directions are a little spotted, but the material looks really heavy duty, so this video will help you if you're going to buy it and put it together for yourself.
Alright, so now we have it kind of screwed in here just enough to fit, not super tight with the ratchet. And we have some pre-drills and some nice thick screws. First we're going to do is check the level before we get anything in.
Basically, it's just 4 bolts to put this thing together, and because of the angle, as long as you have 4 things, can go right on there, no problem. Super easy to put in.
Alright, this is the finished product. Looking good, nice and solid. I did an extra screw right in here just to get some added support, but it looks really nice and clean, nice and strong handle. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.